Alright, so I saw this JEKCA building block set in Japan and I had to buy it. It's a Shiba Daruma doll and it's only 1,360 pieces, so it should be quick to build. Let's get started. I've never put together a JEKCA set before. I've done Legos. This is the first time doing one of these, and what are these? What is this? Alright, instructions. This is gonna take a while to build. Alright, well, page 1. Let's get a timer going. Oh boy, this is gonna suck. Alright, 1 hour update, and I am currently on step number 14 out of 105. Okay, let me get back to this. My microphone dropping now? Whatever. 2 hours in. I gotta fix my mic. 2 hours in. I'm this far. Step 25. It's not that hard to do. It's actually pretty easy. It's very tedious. Once you get a layer on, you gotta put all these little screws in. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's fix this mic first. I didn't realize my mic was dropping so low. Alright, 3 hour update. I am currently on step 36. Still page 2. This is what I got done so far. And it's tiring. I thought it was gonna be a lot faster than this. 3 hours maybe? Probably 6 or 7 hours probably. Let me get back to this. Alright, 4 hour mark. God no. Alright, 4 hour mark. I'm finally getting to the face. My back hurts, my neck hurts, and I'm hungry. But let's see if let's see if I can finish this first. Alright, 5 hour mark. It's looking pretty good. I have a few extra pieces. I'm hoping they just give extra pieces like this because I don't know where else it goes. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, also, what step am I on? Step 58 out of 105, so more than halfway through. I think maybe 2 more hours, even though it took me 5 hours to get here. Does that make sense? Whatever, let's keep going. Alright, I got to the Shiba's eyes. I know I said 2 hours about an hour ago. I think I need another 2 hours. I'm at 6 hours right now. And I'm currently on step 70 out of... I keep checking. Step 70 out of 105, so... maybe 2 more hours. 6... yeah, so I think... should finish in around 8 hours total. I'm tired. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. 7 hours in, almost done. I'm on the last page. I'm on step 85 of 105. It's looking pretty good. It's almost done. Just got the top part and then some ears, and then I can eat. I'm so hungry. All right, let's finish this up. Hopefully just another hour. Hopefully. All right, so I'm 7.5 hours in and almost done with this thing, and I'm short a piece. I've sorted through all the red pieces and I'm missing one long, like 6-piece bar. I'm gonna have to make something because I'm almost done. I'm sure I can make something. It shouldn't be that hard. Oh man. Oh man. 8-hour mark. I thought I was gonna be done. I'm not done yet, but I'm close to it. This is what I got done so far. I'm just finishing up the ears. I'm done with all the red pieces. It's just the ears left. I'm currently on step 94 out of 105, but the rest of it looks pretty short though. So 30 minutes? Well, we'll see. I'm done. I'm gonna stop this. 8 hours, 17 minutes. Oh man, that's a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. I knew it wasn't gonna be quick, but I was thinking about like 6 hours, but oh, I'm absolutely tired right now. It's almost midnight. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I wanna go sleep, but I'm done. It's finally done. Oh man, it's pretty cool. I like it. Worth the 8 hours, not in one sitting. I wouldn't do it in one sitting next time, but it was still fun. It's still pretty cool. I like this. And the best part about this are like, because of all these little tiny screws that you have to put in, like this is pretty safe. Like I'm not worried about this breaking apart at all because every piece is screwed in. Every little piece. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. I actually have a black version of this coming in, so I'll be putting that together too. But not in one sitting. Not doing that again. If you actually want to buy one of these, you can actually get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And the company is JEKCA. I bought it in Japan, but from what I know, it's actually cheaper when I bought it in Japan than the price that I see online. This one's about 40-50 bucks, and the big version's like over $300. So I'm happy with the smaller version. All right, I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Maybe I'll do this again. Maybe I'll do this with when the black one comes in. Match. Let's see.